I'm Dr. Noor, the Medical Director for V Wellness. There are actually two forms of placenta therapy. One is an injectable and the other one is an oral form. So when we talk about placenta, what is it really? It's actually the lifeline between the mother and the fetus. The placenta is when you form the three basic layers, the endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm, early in the embryonic stage. And the placenta is the only sustenance the fetus has until it's delivered. So it acts as an organ to supply all the nutrients. And the organ contains vitamins, hormones, cytokines, has anti-inflammatory factors, has growth factors as well. In Zéll-V, we actually use the oral form obtained from sheep that is very protected. It's called a medical flock. This placenta, when given together in addition to the cellular therapy via injectable, is actually prolonging the effect of healing or regeneration. So it is very apt for anti-aging, but at the same time, those who have affliction of organs, for example, if they have cardiovascular issues, hypertension, even high cholesterol, it does alleviate the symptoms as well.